Hi, I'm Cam from VICIVISION and I'm here to show you just how easy it is to measure GD&T features on your turn parts. Within the software there is a full suite of GD&T software, both 2D with items such as straightness, perpendicularity, parallelism and symmetry, as well as profile measurement, and 3D such as roundness, concentricity, runout, total runout and cylindricity. All of this is extremely easy to program and can take minutes off your CMM programs which may be running within the quality lab. Along with this, you're also getting GD&T measurements which traditionally wouldn't be done on the shop floor, and you are performing this next to lathes and machining centres. This means the operators can check their complicated dimensions such as roundness very quickly and without having to submit the part for a quality check and have to join a queue within the quality lab itself. The idea being that you can very simply get complicated measurements on screen to the operator without having a backlog within your quality lab itself. As you can see on the screen, I've applied a straightness value to that edge and it's given me an instant feedback to the result. I can look at items such as cylindricity and concentricity. A run out and concentricity measurement only takes 9 seconds within the program and allows the operator to be able to check any adjustments they've made in the machine with instant feedback. All of these add up to very easy and simple programming with simple results to the operator, and can also reduce any sort of queue or backlog within the quality processes which may already be in place.